Welcome, survivalists and homesteaders. Today, we uncover an unexpected treasure, 100-year-old dried horse dung. Often overlooked, this ancient resource holds incredible value for survival, heat, and even trade. It's a true Godsmack material. First, let's explore its power as a heat source. This aged dung can be processed into compact, long-burning fuel for various needs. Here, we are packing ground dung into a small tin, creating a portable pocket forge for instant, sustained warmth. Once lit, these tins smolder for hours, providing crucial warmth in cold conditions. A simple, effective hand warmer. Beyond personal warmth, dung can be formed into matchless embers. Light one, and carry fire safely to another location. For reliable fire starting, mix dung with pine resin to create powerful fire starter pucks. They catch a spark easily. A flint and steel ignites these pucks instantly, proving their efficiency for starting fires in any weather. Need to seal a leaky stove? A wet dung paste dries into a durable, heat-resistant, slow-burn stove plug. Finally, for signaling, a smoldering dung pile creates thick, white smolder signals visible from a distance. This humble material also excels in building and repair. It's surprisingly versatile for structural needs. This mixture forms bandcrete patch, perfect for mending cracks or sealing gaps in old wooden structures like window frames. Dry dung cakes can be used as emergency insulation, stuffed into wall gaps to improve thermal efficiency in a pinch. A dung and pine resin mix creates a strong tool handle grip, securing loose axe handles for safer use. Even cast iron pans benefit. Seasoning them over a dung fire imparts a unique, durable finish. And for metalworking, a dung fire can be used for knife tempering, heating tools to achieve optimal hardness. Beyond utility, dung offers surprising benefits for survival and health, acting as a natural protector. Burning dung with lemon oil creates a ghost frequency smudge, purifying damp spaces and deterring pests. Outdoors, a small smoldering tin acts as a mosquito godsmack, keeping insects at bay while you work. For foot odor, a sock filled with dry dung powder becomes an effective odor eater for old work boots. A solution derived from dung can even be used for leather tanning, transforming raw hides into usable material. And for icy paths, sprinkling crushed dung provides ice grip, improving traction and preventing slips. The true Godsmack potential emerges in advanced alchemy and trade, revealing hidden chemical properties. This process allows for niter harvesting, a crucial component for various chemical applications. Burning dung and collecting the ash provides a valuable potash source, essential for soap making and other crafts. The seed bomb is a brilliant trade item, seeds wrapped in dung and clay, ready to be tossed into fields for propagation. Petrified dung chunks serve as a water filter base, providing a natural filtration layer in survival systems. Charred dung can be used as a carbon filter, further purifying water by removing impurities and odors. In craft and construction, dung's fibrous nature opens up a world of creative possibilities. This fine dung dust can be used as a natural pigment for staining wood or paper, creating unique sepia tones. Mixed into paint, dung fibers become a textural additive, giving canvases a unique, organic feel. Dung, sand, and water combine to create traditional cob, a sustainable material for small structures. Boiling dung fibers and pressing them yields paper making, a sustainable way to create unique sheets, a Godsmack seller. Mixed with flour paste, dung can be sculpted into hard, durable objects, serving as a unique sculpting medium. In the garden, aged dung is a powerhouse for growth, enriching soil and nurturing plants. This concentrated compost tea provides vital nutrients, boosting plant health and yield. Aged organic fibers from dung make an excellent mushroom substrate, perfect for cultivating fungi. Compressed dung cups serve as biodegradable seedling pots, providing nutrients as seedlings grow. Crumbled dung mixed into heavy clay soil provides soil aeration, improving drainage and root growth. Finally, let's explore some niche and specialized uses, proving dung's incredible versatility. Fine dung dust acts as an abrasive polish, restoring old metal tools to their former glory. Dung can also serve as an incense base, mixed with cedar or pine for a natural, earthy aroma. Small dung bricks function as thermal mass, holding heat from a stove and radiating it slowly. Mixed with clay, dung creates molds for casting sand, ideal for small metal casting projects. A coarse dung layer acts as a water filter pre-screen, removing larger debris before finer filtration. And finally, dung can be used as a tanning agent, aiding in the softening and preservation of hides. From heat to healing, building to trade, this humble material is a testament to resourceful survival engineering. Its zero cost and high value make it a true total war survival asset. Never underestimate the power of aged horse dung.